A luxurious bedroom design is all about creating an atmosphere of comfort, style, and tranquility while incorporating elements of opulence and sophistication. It's a space where relaxation meets high-end design, and every detail is carefully curated to evoke a sense of indulgence. The key to achieving this look lies in the thoughtful selection of materials, furniture, colors, textures, and lighting, all working in harmony to create a serene and inviting space. The foundation of a luxurious bedroom often starts with the bed, as it is the focal point of the room. Opting for a large, plush bed with a high-quality mattress is essential for both comfort and aesthetics. Upholstered headboards add a sense of grandeur, especially when made from luxurious fabrics like velvet or linen. Tufted designs or padded panels in neutral tones can bring an elegant, timeless feel. Bedding is another crucial aspect, with layers of soft, premium sheets, down comforters, and an assortment of pillows to create a cozy, yet refined look. Incorporating textures such as silk, sateen, or cashmere in the bedding adds a touch of extravagance. Furniture choices in a luxurious bedroom should be carefully selected for both functionality and style. Opt for pieces made from high-quality materials, such as rich woods like mahogany, oak, or walnut, which add warmth and sophistication. Nightstands, dressers, and wardrobes should feature clean lines, sleek finishes, and metallic accents like brass, gold, or silver for an elevated look. A bench or settee at the foot of the bed can also contribute to a more lavish feel. Upholstered in a lush fabric, this piece of furniture not only adds visual interest but serves as a functional spot for lounging or organizing. Color schemes in luxurious bedrooms typically lean towards calming, neutral tones that exude tranquility. Soft shades of white, beige, gray, or cream create a serene backdrop, allowing other design elements to stand out without overwhelming the space. However, deeper tones like navy, emerald green, or charcoal can also be used to evoke a sense of richness and intimacy. Accent walls or upholstered panels behind the bed in these darker hues can add depth and drama. Metallic finishes in gold, bronze, or chrome further enhance the sense of luxury, whether through furniture accents, hardware, or decorative pieces. Textures play a significant role in the design of a luxurious bedroom. Mixing and layering different materials adds dimension and interest to the room. A thick, plush area rug underfoot not only enhances comfort but brings warmth and softness to the space. Rugs made from materials like wool, silk, or faux fur add an extra touch of luxury. Window treatments are another opportunity to introduce texture. Opt for floor-length drapes in sumptuous fabrics like velvet, silk, or linen. These materials not only look elegant but also provide privacy and control the light entering the room. Lighting is a crucial element in setting the mood in a luxurious bedroom. The right lighting can transform the space from ordinary to extraordinary, creating a relaxing and inviting ambience. Layered lighting, which includes a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting, works best in a luxurious design. A chandelier or pendant light above the bed instantly elevates the room, adding a dramatic focal point. For a more subtle look, choose wall sconces or bedside lamps with metallic finishes or crystal accents. Dimmable lighting is a must, as it allows for adjustments depending on the mood or time of day. Adding candles or decorative lamps with soft, warm light can further enhance the atmosphere, making the room feel cozy and intimate. Incorporating statement art or decor is another way to add personality and style to a luxurious bedroom. Large pieces of artwork above the bed or on a feature wall can serve as a striking focal point, drawing attention and setting the tone for the space. Choose pieces that reflect your personal taste but also complement the overall design. Sculptural vases, gold-framed mirrors, or sleek decorative trays can be used to add small touches of luxury throughout the room. Opt for materials like marble, crystal, or polished metals for these accessories to enhance the opulent feel. One cannot overlook the importance of technology in a modern luxurious bedroom. Today's high-end bedrooms often feature smart technology that enhances both comfort and convenience. Motorized blinds, smart lighting systems, and integrated speakers are some ways to incorporate modern amenities while maintaining a sleek, sophisticated design. A luxurious bedroom design wouldn't be complete without attention to the smaller details that add comfort and indulgence. Incorporating soft throws, extra pillows, or a decorative quilt at the foot of the bed creates a layered, inviting look. A cozy armchair or chaise lounge in a reading nook adds an additional space for relaxation. Fragrances, whether through scented candles or diffusers, can further elevate the sensory experience in the room, making it not only beautiful but also a sanctuary for the senses. A luxurious bedroom is all about creating a cohesive design that balances comfort, elegance, and sophistication. By carefully selecting high-quality materials, incorporating rich textures, and layering thoughtful lighting, you can transform any bedroom into a space that feels indulgent and serene. Every element, from the furniture to the smallest decor detail, contributes to an overall atmosphere of refinement, making the bedroom a perfect retreat from the outside world.